In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about plumbing installation so you can handle your home projects like a pro without calling in expensive help. Alright, so first off, you gotta start with a solid plan, know exactly where your pipes need to go and what fixtures you're hooking up. Always turn off the main water supply before you start messing with any pipes, because flooding your place is the last thing you want. When you're cutting pipes, measure twice, cut once. That old saying's true, and it saves you from wasting materials. Use the right tools for the job, like pipe cutters or a hacksaw, and make sure your cuts are clean to avoid leaks. Don't forget to clean and deburr the edges after cutting, so fittings slide on smoothly and seal tight. When joining pipes, whether it's copper, PVC, or PEX, follow the specific method for each, soldering copper or using special fittings for PEX, because one size definitely doesn't fit all. Always check for leaks by slowly turning the water back on and watching every joint closely. Lastly, give yourself plenty of time. Rushing leads to mistakes, and you don't want to be fixing leaks at midnight. One of the biggest screw-ups I see in plumbing installation is not securing pipes properly, which leads to banging noises and potential damage over time, so always use clamps or brackets to keep things tight. Another common mistake is ignoring local plumbing codes. Not following these rules can cause big problems down the road when you sell your home or get inspected. And watch out for over-tightening fittings that can crack pipes or damage seals, causing leaks that are annoying to track down but easy to prevent if you're gentle but firm. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making your life way easier when you need expert help. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors too. They get connected with real clients who need their services, so everyone wins in the end.